Good morning, friends! Welcome back to my channel! I have so much energy for someone that shouldn't. Beyond tired, I've been doing a million and one things this morning. I'm in the mood to film a YouTube haul. I feel like whenever I switch the camera on for YouTube, I just get a burst of energy because I love it so much. We're doing a White Fox haul today. It is gonna just be tracksuits. I love a White Fox tracksuit. You guys love a White Fox tracksuit, so let's do a White Fox haul. Take a shot every time I say White Fox, you're gonna be on the floor. I do also have a discount code with White Fox. I think it's just Chyna. It might just be Chyna. I actually am already wearing a tracksuit. I'm not gonna say White Fox tracksuit. I definitely am. This is in such a gorgeous colour. It's a mushroom colour. That's the way I describe this. Mushroom. It's actually called Moon on the site, but they should change it to mushroom. It has the white logo on it, which is raised and such good quality. It doesn't rub off in the wash. Have we noticed this is actually cropped? Since when did White Fox do cropped hoodies? I didn't know that. I'm so obsessed with this. The cropness is just perfect. I love the cut of this. Amazing. I assume it just says White Fox. I can't see. Hopefully you can. Look how well the hoodies sit as well. Because there's just such nice quality. And then I've got the joggers, which you probably can't see. These are wide leg. They are a little bit long, but as I always say, I just wonder web them, or you can just like roll them up the inside out. So yeah, wide leg, I love that. They've got pockets, thick waistband and a drawstring, and again the White Fox logo here. If you knew how long I've waited for this colour tracksuit, I am in love with this. On the site it's called Sorbet. Who named that? Who actually named that? Because I love it. That is a perfect name for it, because when you see like red sorbet, it is this shade. And I love it. Does it say, oh yeah, it says so on the back. Again, I'm just assuming it says White Fox because it is a White Fox hoodie. The size of this is really lovely. So what size is this? Because sometimes I do change it up. Oh, I can't find the label. This is an XS. The shorts are also in XS. I do size up in my White Fox shorts because I find they come up a little bit small. The hoodies, I just get in an extra small or a 2X. 2X? No, 2XS. Sorry. There's a mirror here, by the way, if you're new. I'm not just staring at a blank wall. There is in fact a mirror here. The shorts fit perfectly. Super thick waistband, drawstrings and pockets. And got the White Fox here, and so does the hoodie. I'm in love with this colour. It screams spring to me. I'm in love with it. It is so perfect. I'm wearing this today. I'm wearing it today. Well, I am, but I'm going to wear it when I go out later. My hair, you may be thinking, is she going for a phase? What is happening? Why has she got Mickey Mouse hair? Well, I was practicing my hair for when I go to Coachella. I'm going to Coachella. I can't believe it. The next vlog you see, no, not the next vlog, the vlog after the next, because the next vlog, sneak peek, is going to be like a Coachella glow up, and then the one after that will be my Coachella vlog. So I was practicing my hair to see if I could do it myself, and I did. Look, I've got two plaits, hopefully you can see, because my hair's dark, it's really hard to see, and I've got two buns. Don't tell anyone, that's not my hair actually. Back to the tracksuit, stunning, love you White Fox. Then watching this thinking, who are you, and why are you promoting our clothes? You're so strange and random. It's just me. Love me or leave me. Okay, this isn't really a tracksuit, it's more of just like loungewear. I wanted to try out a little like baby tee for you guys. This is really nice, not see-through, super comfortable, really nice thick material, sculpting. I do believe I've sized up in this. So whatever the smallest size is, I've sized up from that. So maybe an extra small, burgundy or brown. Let me know what you think. I love the sleeve on this. It's the perfect like cut, the perfect cut up here as well. I like when it comes up fairly high and it's got some length to it. It's not like a complete crop. And then the shorts, of course, I've sized up again. There's drawstrings in there, but they're like hidden ones, so they just tuck in there. This also says White Fox with the bow as well. This was some Uggs. It's so cute. It's giving spring vibes. Maybe this is a spring haul. It's definitely not, because I do actually have some other bits in here that aren't spring, like joggers and stuff. What's the colour of this? This is like a cream colour. I really like this. I would like this in like a full tracksuit as well. I don't think this comes with like a jacket, but White Fox, if you don't do that, definitely do. So then you can have like a full set. I'm going to keep this top on while I try on some other bits because it's really nice. It's just like soft. I just thought I'd show you this before I put it on so you can see it nice and clear. Look at the print of that. Isn't that giving Ibiza vibes? Pink bow with the cherries and it's like raised. If you're worried about washing stuff like this, I tend to wash my stuff inside out. So like zip it up and then wash it inside out. Preferably I wouldn't tumble dry it because sometimes that can ruin prints, but I've never had any problems. But I don't want to say do that and then you have problems, then it's my fault. The shorts, again, I've sized up, which I'm super happy about because I actually already owned this tracksuit, but I got it in too small of a size, so I just wasn't 100% happy with it. But now that I've sized up, I think I just sized up in the joggers. No, I think I sized up in both. So I think before I got like a 3XS, but I sized up in, no, I got a 2XS. I don't even know anymore. Either way, what have I got now? That's what you care about. You don't care what I did have once upon a time. Okay, so this is a 2XS to XS, and the shorts are an XS. And I'm so much happier with this size. Oh, this is airport vibes. Like, imagine if you and your girls were going on a holiday like Ibiza and you was all wearing this. I just think that would be so cute. And I would so do that. I am that weird friend that like loves to match. I feel like there's a difference between like intentionally matching and someone copying you. Like, it's annoying when someone copies you, but like if you're intentionally doing it, it's different. It's got White Fox here as well, and it says Love Club. Well, that's nice, isn't it? And the quality of their tracksuits are so nice. The colour grey as well. I just love this grey. I call it boyfriend grey. Love this tracksuit. I'm so glad to have my preferred size in this. Right, trying on all these outfits is in fact ruining my hair, and that's annoying me. I love this colour. Is this, would you say this is burgundy? I think this is burgundy. I'm still on my burgundy hype. I'm loving more plum, but burgundy, I still love it. Actually, this is more maroon. I love the contrast of the white with the colour. I think it's so gorge. And again, has it on the back, assuming it says White Fox. Sorry, I really need a drink. I'm on my 7-Up / Sprite, same thing. Different brand. I'm on my Sprite hype right now. I'm loving it. I think it's because it's getting a bit warmer. I'm normally a Pepsi Max girl, but this is just... I think I spoke about what I need to speak about with this now. Same size. Extra small on the shorts, 2XS on the jumper. I don't know if I've told you about the inside of White Fox as well. So soft. I've already worn this tracksuit and I loved it. And I actually got a compliment on it. So that speaks volumes. I think it's because of the back, because the girl was walking behind me. Isn't that stunning? White Fox always do like fun prints. Pink and black. I've not seen pink and black together. Ever really. I don't think. It's got White Fox in the cherries with pink and a bow. Attention to detail. So cute. The White Fox here as well. And it's raised. The only thing is, this hoodie I feel like comes up a little bit small. I'm not sure why, but it does. So I would size up in this one. The joggers have elastic waist... I've spoke so many words today, like they're just not coming out anymore. Elasticated waistbands and drawstrings, and of course pockets. The hoodies all have pockets as well, and these are wide leg again. Not crazy long, but of course like I wonder web them and they're fine. They do a lot of these joggers in cuffed and wide leg, so if you prefer a cuffed or prefer a wide leg, you can get that as well. But this is my favourite colour combination. My favourite colour is that sorbet colour. But colour combination, the pink and the black, petition for more pink and black because I love this together. Guys, I've just realised that first tracksuit I had on, I've actually also picked it up in a hoodie version instead of a cropped with a zip. So I thought I'd just try this on just to show you. I might actually take these buttons out in a minute because, no, I'm going to take them out because, look at me expose my secrets. What? Why do I look bold on top now? I don't know if I like that. But I have to because it was pulling on my hair every time I was trying to put something over my head. What was I saying? I don't know. I ramble and rant too much. Guys, I feel like I've just... I don't know. I feel like I've taken my trousers off. We've taken them buns off. Like that was the top of my head and now I don't have it. Right, so yeah, this is just the bog standard hoodie in case you don't want a cropped zipped version. Exact same colour. This is the colour Moon. It has the White Fox logo here, raised, beautiful, stunning. And on the back, which I think I already showed you. Oh wow. Okay, this is stunning. So stunning. Oh my god, the zip is also pink. Wow, I love that. That's so sleek. Okay, you know me. I cannot do a haul without something pink. It's my favourite colour. I love it. It suits everyone. It's just stunning. This is a cropped zip as well. It's got White Fox, really teeny tiny. Here, I don't know if you can see, but really teeny tiny. Oh, I've just noticed these joggers don't have pockets. That's kind of annoying. Thick waistband, drawstrings, and these are wide leg again. which I love a wide leg so much. I'm loving this colour. This is the perfect pink. This is so soft. I just wanted to show you the back before I can't show you properly later of this hoodie. Again, it's that raised print and it's bubble writing pink and white. White fox again. And it does have a little something at the front. Okay, so this isn't meant to be a matching set. I just thought I'd pick them up. I'm so uncomfortable. I don't like cycling shorts on me. I feel like I don't have the legs for it. But I wanted to show variety. So if you do like cycling shorts, then I just wanted to give my opinion on them. These are really comfy. These are a really nice material as well. And it just says White Fox at the bottom. And the hoodie is a slightly lighter pink. But again, as I said, they're not meant to match. This probably comes with its own shorts or joggers or something, but I just wanted to pair them together. Super comfy, just as everything is from White Fox. You literally cannot go wrong. So if you are more of a cycling short, tighter short person than the other shorts I've been showing you, then these are a great option. These are also really easy and light in the summer. I think these shorts with that cropped pink hoodie I just showed you would be great together. We are on to our last item. I know it's not a tracksuit, but I saw this on the loungewear section and I just thought it's really cute. I love it. I never wear yellow. Yellow and pink. White Fox and their colour combinations are absolutely smashing it at the moment. They have stripes down the side. I think this with some like chunky white trainers would be so nice. The waistband's super thick and stretchy. You can also adjust it. It is a wide leg at the bottom. And then the top, I love the like white piping. I don't know. It's also here as well. Just a really nice lightweight spring outfit. Again, this screams spring. A lot of these pieces have scream spring, but like this lemony yellow, I'm obsessed. I need more lemon in my wardrobe because I think it makes you look so tanned, and with dark hair it looks so good. I'm obsessed. That's all I've got to show you for today. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Make sure to use my White Fox discount code. Have I got anything else to say? Make sure you subscribe. I'm on the road to 60k. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.